Hey, Tech Surgeon here with a quick tip. Anytime you're going to work with outside equipment boxes, particularly from the utility company, metal boxes sitting in the ground with cabling coming underground to it, you want to go ahead and protect yourself and use a foreign voltage detector. So let me show you how you do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on some protective gloves here. I'm going to pick up my foreign voltage detector. This is a common version these days used by utility companies. You just press the button, press and hold the button, and if it detects any high voltage, it's going to let you know. So here we go here. So I have here an outside telephone terminal, and there's no lights, no sound, so that's cold. But if I come over here to the power company, whenever I get close to that current, see, I'm beginning to get lights there, and there you go. I got a hit right there. So even if your metallic you're touching is not hot, you will begin to see indicators when you get close to where the hot circuits are. All right there on there. We got that one too. Looks like this is gonna power. See, it's gonna power the. Looks like a perhaps a underground sprinkler system or something. So that's hot too. So remember to stay safe. Working outside, use your foreign voltage detector. Be safe.